So one of the things that we find when clients come in with well-written trusts is that they forget the next step, which is to make sure that that trust is funded properly. And when we talk about funding, we're talking about making sure that the client has moved assets that they own in their own name into the name of the trust. And that does a couple of things. Number one, it makes sure that if the trust is fully funded with all the appropriate assets, then loved ones don't have to deal with the probate process when their loved one has passed away. So the trust allows them to avoid probate and give a little bit more peace of mind and, quite frankly, an ease of administration for their beneficiaries. The second thing is when the trust is properly funded, if the individual who created the trust is no longer able to manage the trust, they have named a successor trustee to be able to step into their shoes to ensure management is being done properly and by someone who they want to have in that important position. So having a trust in place is something we really do recommend for most clients. It's a great tool to be able to avoid probate and to make sure that your estate is being administered the way you would like it to be, but it's got to be properly funded in order to make sure it really does its job properly.